Welcome back to the channel. If you love extreme machines that look like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most aggressive, most outrageous, and most powerful trucks of the future. Buckle up, because this is pure automotive madness on 6 wheels. The first thing that hits you is the exterior, and honestly, there's nothing subtle about it. The design screams dominance from every angle. The massive 6x6 stance gives it a planted, unstoppable presence, while the armored body panels look ready to take on deserts, snowfields, and apocalypse-level chaos. The aggressive LED lighting, reinforced bumpers, huge off-road tires, and military-inspired details all come together to create a truck that doesn't just want attention, it demands it. Step inside, and the interior is where brute force meets luxury. You're welcomed by premium leather seats with heavy bolstering, giving you comfort even when the terrain gets brutal. The cabin feels like a command center, with a wide digital display, advanced infotainment system, and controls designed for serious off-road action. High-quality materials, custom stitching, ambient lighting, and sound insulation make it feel just as refined as it is rugged. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where things get truly insane. Power comes from a supercharged V8 engine that delivers mind-blowing horsepower and torque. The 6x6 drivetrain sends power to all 6 wheels, giving it insane traction and off-road capability. Whether it's climbing rocks, plowing through mud, or cruising the highway with authority, this machine doesn't hesitate. Of course, a machine like this doesn't come cheap. Pricing reflects its exclusivity, extreme engineering, and custom craftsmanship. The starting price easily climbs into the high 6-figure range, depending on options and custom builds. This isn't a mass-market truck. It's a statement piece for those who want something rare, powerful, and unforgettable. When it comes to safety, this beast is built like a fortress. Reinforced body construction, advanced braking systems, multiple airbags, traction control, stability management, and high-strength materials all work together to keep you protected. The sheer size and strength of the vehicle already provide a sense of security, and the modern safety tech adds another layer of confidence behind the wheel. To sum it all up, this 6x6 monster is not just a truck, it's an experience. It combines extreme off-road capability, jaw-dropping design, insane power, and unexpected luxury into one unforgettable package. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it's built for those who refuse to blend in. If you enjoyed this review and love seeing the wildest vehicles on the planet, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.